playing 4. Ah, yeah, it's gonna be so fun and stuff. Okay, so let's just hop in it, guys. I'm having a good place recently. I'm just going through a breakup, but it's fine. She was, my lady, but no, she's not. Okay, let's see here. How do I play the game? How do I play the game? I can't go through here. Oh, we go over here. I want to have some players. Let's go in here. Okay. Whoa. We have 4 players? Woo! No, we left. Man, this game looks so, trash. No lie. No! It's just me. It's just me in the game. Oh, it's nice. Turn my quality down. Hello? Oh, okay, let's go here. Brush my teeth? No, because they were for you. That's bad hygiene. Go in here. This is a pretty nice house. Going in here. Hello. My baggage. Okay. Oh my. None of you have. I'm the only one here. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage or the breakfast, not going to the gym. What the heck? Hey, what's up? Oh no. The burger's in the backyard. Hurry up. Okay. Can I have my baggage, please? Okay. I really want to go to the trip. What are we gonna do? It's just gonna be myself talking. My clothes. Are you evaporated? I'm the only one talking. I'm talking to myself. Just like real life. Okay. Let me start packing. What is this house? We have 100. We have 7 beds all in our house. Why? That's. Am I insane? Have my brothers and sisters just died all of a sudden? So I can real life leave, unfortunately. I'm just. Can't leave. Help! You locked me in the house! Can I thank you myself? Please, please. Wow, cruise story. That's not a reference. They literally put his name. Okay, this should be in my bedroom. Right there. Oh, I put it back in the baggage. That makes sense. That was literally so easy. Oh god, pants, okay. You just like my room, right? Or is it in here? No, it's my room. Okay. Oh, I really want to go on this trip. I really want to go. Oh god. I might actually make it. Oh god. No, we don't think I'm gonna make it. Yeah, it's easy. There's a small suitcase. What? I just need shoes and pants? What? Oh, I need more shoes. Okay. Wow. They're right here. How surprising. If only nobody else had left me in this stupid game. There. Put it in. Burgers are almost ready. Burgers. Let's go to the backyard. Woohoo! I can't. Oh, okay. Why does my dad look like he's freaking homeless? He's looking like homeless. Also, where do we live? We live in a very weird, secluded only seats for only one person. That I'm your only child. What are you? That's not how you hold a burger. Stop waving around. Who wants a burger? I don't. It's literally moldy. It's literally moldy. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Oh, I don't really have a choice, so I guess I'm gonna sit on the picnic table. Alright. Also, isn't it at the picnic table, not on it? I'm gonna have a gamer. Yes. That's not even all of them. What are you, insane? Oh my god. Great. This is so yummy. Hello, everyone. We are back on Blockchain State News. Okay. That burger is so delicious. Hey, Dad. Give me a kiss real quick. Mwah. It is the radio. Look at this man pushing it. What the hell? The police warned everyone in the Robloxia. Wait, is this a precedent? Okay. Guys, we're back. Basically, so like the person was talking, and I did a really good impression. We're running for a flight. There's no leaving time. Yes, there is. Yeah, unless only me. What? What is it? Unless you kill me to make more time. Follow Dad. My dad cannot walk. Learn how to walk. Oh my god. What do you? I have a bag. Yes, I really do. I really do. Oh, the front door is open. Why do you have two front doors? Okay. Whoa, we're going outside. This is super cool, guys. This is super cool. Why is the garage just plain? Daycare story? Really? If you're gonna do self-advertisement, please make it good. Wait for it. I present you your mom's dead corpse. Wow. You couldn't put it in the center, you just put it on the side? Really? That's so funny. I'm a child, and I'm flying a plane, I'm gonna crash and die, and I'm gonna burn alive. It's so hilarious, ha ha ha. Now, we can lose any more time. You're playing and grab a seat. Yes, I found my plane. Where else could it be? Wow, you're really giving me time to go on my plane. Great, you're such a good dad. But on the other side, how? Wait, we don't even know how to fly. Exactly. We're gonna crash and die and burn alive. Why am I just talking to myself? Okay. Obstacles? Oh god! How do I fly? Okay, oh god. The police are there. It's actually kind of hard. Down here. Why are there obstacles here? Oh! Oh! Okay, up here. The plane's falling. The plane's falling. How much longer? Wait, I lost health. Oh god. Oh god. Dad. Help. Please. Please help. What is this music? It's playing like really creepy music. Flying over. What? Okay, great. Yeah, hopefully you irresponsible dad. I really hate you. Where's mom? Okay, let's go. Woohoo. Yeah. Okay. It's right there. Wow, it's right there. I'm literally gonna die. My dad literally let me drive a plane, and I crashed. I crashed. Okay. That actually scared me. That actually gave me a fright. Okay. Let's go inside. Please run over. Please run over. Run over. No, you didn't run over. Okay, fine. Wow. Oh, this is super cool. Attention. Flight 7 leaving in 5 minutes. Oh no. That's our flight. Yeah, it sure is, Buster. I already have my ticket. Get the order before the plane takes off without us. Where? How? Okay. Get your ticket. Get the boarding gate. Okay. Thank you. My ticket, please. Oh, baggage? Okay. Got it. Here's my baggage. Thank you. Give me my ticket. Thank you. Have a safe flight. Okay, here we go. No more waiting. Let's go. Yes, let's go right now. Let's go right now. Hey there. Is that our plane? That's our plane. That's kind of cool. Why is there 2 floors? That's not very good. Hello, you think that I thought you like the Rohabas? Indeed we are. Don't worry. You're just in time. Then let us go already. All you need to do now is go through the security gate. No sector. And you're good to go. Okay. Let's go. Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's because I'm a robot, that's why. I'm made out of metal, that's why. What? I don't have anything on me. Other than these weapons. Hee. Pulls out gun, start shooting. Oh, okay then. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. How about we just leave it on the plane? Let's leave. Let's just go. Oh my god. Oh. Hey there. You're going to have to come with us. Okay. Great. Is there a problem, officers? The problem is that you're a terrible dad. Oh, that's great. That's great. Good job, you idiotic buffoon. Oh, paperwork. So fun. There's literally nothing out here. There's nothing out here. It's just okay. Yeah, you idiot. Yeah, you stupid dad. Stupid. Ooh, we love that. Can I have the bat? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Good job. Give a clap for my dad. What? What do you mean? Oh, no. That's not very good. Oh, there goes the plane. Last one. My plan is finally complete. Good. This is very good. Oh, hi. Hi there, cutie. Hi there, milady. You're gonna keep... Are you enjoying the show, humans? No. Your world will be soon property of the undeads. Plural? First, I used my angry human self build an army, but now I can take over the world. Myself. Yeah, you're probably gonna be a better person than my dad. Let's be real here. Don't worry, you'll be part of the army too. No, please stop it now. See you in the afterlife. Dad? I'm still holding my ticket. I'm still holding it. Oh god, that's not very good, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Can I have a baseball bat? Oh my god, bro. Give me a bat. Give me a bat. Just give me Breaking Bad! No, they're not the cops! They're dead! Oh my god. Thank you. I died. Well, I died. Great. So good. Alright guys, well, this has been Airplane 4. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really do miss my lady, but she's gone now. She has somebody else now. That's not me, and I'm okay.